In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to create desktop shortcut icons directly from Google Chrome. If you've ever wished you could jump straight to your favorite web pages with a single click from your desktop, this quick process will make your workflow faster and put your go-to sites right at your fingertips. By the end of this video, you'll be able to instantly open websites without having to search or type in URLs each time. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening Google Chrome and navigating to the website you want to create a shortcut for. Make sure you're on the exact page you want quick access to. Think of it like bookmarking, but even more direct. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of Chrome and you'll see the 3 vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. Take your time. It's easy to overlook them since they blend in with the interface, but they're your gateway to lots of useful Chrome features. When you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear, showing all kinds of options. You'll want to hover your mouse over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Sometimes these menu names can change slightly based on your version of Chrome, but it's usually in this area. Within that section, look for the option that says Create Shortcut. This is the magic button that will allow you to pin this site directly to your desktop. Clicking Create Shortcut will trigger a pop-up window, and this part is pretty handy. The pop-up will let you edit the name of the shortcut before it gets pinned to your desktop. If you're setting up something like your student portal, work dashboard, or just a favorite news site, you might want to give it a name that makes it instantly recognizable. Maybe something short, clear, and easy to spot among your other desktop icons. Don't worry if you accidentally leave the default name. You can always rename the shortcut later right from your desktop by right-clicking it and choosing Rename. Now, take a moment to check a little box in the pop-up that says Open as Window, if you want the website to appear in a separate window without all the usual browser tabs and address bars. This makes the shortcut behave almost like a standalone app, which is really useful for web tools or social media platforms you access frequently. If you're just looking for basic quick access to the site, leaving it unchecked is perfectly fine. Next, click the Create button, and Chrome will immediately add a shortcut icon to your desktop. It's pretty satisfying to see it show up right away, usually in the bottom right area of your screen if you're on Windows, or on your main desktop if you're using Mac. This shortcut isn't just a link. It looks like all your other app icons, and it gives you the ability to double-click and instantly launch the website. Think of it like having your favorite coffee shop's portal right on your desktop. One click and you're in. That's all there is to it. Creating desktop shortcut icons directly from Google Chrome is a simple way to clean up your digital routine and save time getting to the sites you use most. Whether it's for work, school, or just for fun, it's an easier way to organize your online life. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. If you've got questions or run into any issues while setting up your shortcuts, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful Chrome tips, tech tutorials, and easy digital life hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.